So hi guys, this is next part of my MQL5 tutorial project where I am trying to develop a profitable expert advisor based on moving average crossover concept. So today I would like to focus on adding a break-even function that ensures that we lock in profits. So yeah, that's it. I hope everybody here knows what break-even function does, and if you don't, it basically moves a stop loss into a profit once your position is a certain number of points in a profit already. So for example, if you have a buy position and you are currently 300 points in a profit, you can move your stop loss, for example, 100 points above your opening price, and therefore you secure at least 100 points profit in a case that the price goes against you. So that's the theory behind break even. Let's start with this coding part. So let's create a new group called break even measurement, and let's add first variable called use break even. So this is whether we want or don't want use break even function. Then there will be break even trigger points. So this is how many points in a profit we have to be in order to activate the break even, and then break even move points. This tells us, or this clarifies how many points we want to move our stop loss into a profit when the break even is triggered. So this is it. Let's create our function called break even function, and let's start with this part. Firstly, we have to check if we want to use break even, and if we don't want to use break even, we don't want to execute the rest of this code, so we'll just return from the function at this stage. And else and if we want to use break even, this part of code will be executed. So now positions total. Now we are iterating through all of the open positions, and we'll need some information for each of the position we are iterating. So ticket equals position get ticket. Then we want open price, that's right here, current price, that's right here, and we also want take profit for the order or position, and also stop loss. So this is it. Also I will create a variable called distance that we will assign value to later on. So there can happen two things here. First thing is that sorry, I just forgot one more thing that is crucial in this step. It's a type of the position. So it's an integer type, and we want our type of the position. So let's move here. If type equals position type by, so this is our part of code, and then there's the second thing that can happen, and that's when our type of the position is position type cell. First thing we want to do here is to assign value to the distance. So distance tells us how many points are we currently in a profit. So for buy position, it's current price minus open price divided by point, and let's take it here, and for the sell position it's open price minus the current price. So this is it. There will be another if else statement here. So if the distance is larger than break-even trigger points, or larger or equal to the break-even trigger points, and also the current stop loss is lower than open price, this means that we haven't already modified this position, then we will modify the position modify with a ticket. There will be a new stop loss, which is open price plus break even move points multiplied by the point value, and take profit can stay the same. Now let's just take this and put it right here. So this part stays the same. Here we want to change the operator here to larger, because with sell positions your stop loss is initial above the open price. Yeah, so this is it, and here we want to do it like this: open price minus break-even move points. So that's our function and should be working. Now I have to call the function on our onTake function so it works properly. Okay, so right now it should be working fine. Let's go to MT5 tester and test our code. So right now let's do it like this. So right now our initial take profit is 500 points, stop loss is 1000 points. We are using the static type of closing, and then we want to use break even. We want to trigger our break even at 250 points, and we want to move the stop loss 100 points into a profit. So let's click on start and let's check what happens. So we are opening our first position. Okay, I will slow this down, but you can see here that the break even was activated. So we were 300 points in a profit, which is larger than what we declared here. We declared here 250 points. So at this point break even was activated and we moved our stop loss 100 points into profit, which we later on reached right here. So it works as it should. The same thing is here. Let's check this, for example trade. I will slow down the MT5 tester so we can see it, and yes, this is perfect for our case. As you could have seen before, or a few seconds before now, the stop loss was initially below the open price, and right now it's 100 points in a profit. And if we stay in this trade, it doesn't move anywhere, and right here is our initial profit, or initial take profit, and it reaches the initial take profit. Okay, so this is it. Our break-even function works, and yeah, in the next videos I will be adding some other functionalities of how we can secure our profits. It will be by using trailing triggers for stop losses and take profits. So yeah, that's another function that we can use. So this is it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.